If you want to draw cleaner perspective in Krita, one of the most useful features you can turn on is the Vanishing Point Assistant. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to activate it, set it up, and adjust it so you can start building accurate perspective guides in just a few clicks. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, look at the left-hand toolbox docker and find the Assistant tool icon. This is the tool you need to create and manage perspective assistants in Krita. Click it once to activate the tool. After that, take a look at the panels on your screen and open the Tool Options docker. In most layouts, you'll find it on the right side of your workspace. If you don't see it, make sure it's enabled from your Docker panels. Inside the Tool Options docker, click the Add drop-down menu. This menu lets you choose different assistant types for your drawing setup. From the list, select Vanishing Point. Once you choose it, Krita will be ready for you to place the vanishing point on your canvas. Now click anywhere on your canvas to drop the Master Vanishing Point Crosshair node. This is the main point that your perspective lines will connect toward, so place it where it makes the most sense for your scene. If you're drawing a hallway, building, road, or interior space, think carefully about where that vanishing point should go before clicking. After the node appears, you can start refining the assistant to match your composition. Drag the two small outer anchor handles to adjust the initial angle guidelines stretching across your canvas. These handles control the direction of the perspective lines, so moving them changes how your guides spread out. Take your time here and watch how the lines update as you adjust them. You can also change the density and color of the guidelines to suit your workflow. If the guides feel too busy or too faint, tweak them until they're easy to see without getting in the way of your sketch. A stronger guide color can help when you're working on detailed line art, while a lighter one may be better if you want a cleaner view of your canvas. Once everything is set, you'll have a reliable vanishing point assistant that makes perspective drawing much easier. This is especially helpful for architecture, environments, product sketches, and any artwork where consistent perspective matters. And that's it. You've successfully activated the Vanishing Point Assistant in Krita and customized it for your drawing setup. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more helpful Krita tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.